FibaTape Self-Adhesive Wall and Ceiling Repair Patch. Start by peeling away the liner. Remove any loose debris from the hole to be patched. Center the patch over the hole and press firmly around all edges. Apply your first coat of compound over the patch. Make sure to apply enough pressure to push the compound through the patch for the strongest repair. Once this first coat is dry, lightly sand the area and then apply a thin second or final coat of compound. Notice the large area used for the final coat. This is necessary to avoid any noticeable bumps where the repair is. After you've finished your final coat and it has completely dried, sand the area to a smooth finish using fine grit sandpaper.